class. I hope you are finding holidays. Today our topic is articles. You know all very well there are three types of article: a, and the. Now I am telling you the uses of articles. Number one, article A. It is used for consonant. इट इज़ यूज फॉर काउंटेबल. काउंटेबल मीन्स ऐसी चीज़ें जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकें, गिन सकें. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर सिंगुलर एंड इट इज़ यूज फॉर कॉमन नाउन. नंबर सेकेंड, एन इज़ यूज फॉर वाउल्स एंड वाउल साउंड वर्ड्स. इन वाउल्स इट इज़ ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. And in vowel sound words like an, honest man, and are, because these sounds are starting with H but their sounds are like vowels. Number 3, the. It is used for heavenly bodies or specific things and also with third degree adjective. In heavenly bodies there are the sun, moon, and in specific things Lahore, the Holy Quran. And in third degree adjective, greatest, coldest, tallest. With this we use the. Now I am telling you the question number 1 of your grammar assignment book. Filling the blanks with articles. Ali is dash boy. Boy is a singular person and a consonant. That's why we use it a. He is dash tallest boy in the class. Here we use the because tallest is the third degree. He recites dash Holy Quran daily. We use the because Holy Quran is a specific thing. His father is dash officer in Air Force. We use an with officer because O is vowel. His father likes to read newspaper named dash Jung. Here we use the because Jung is a newspaper and it is a specific thing. His father is dash intelligent. We use an because of vowel. And dash kindest person of family, and we use the. He wants to be like his father. Question number 2 is filling the blanks with articles. I bought dash new dress. Here we use a because of consonant. Sam had dash almond in crossing dash road. We use an because of vowel, and we also use the because road is a specific thing in this sentence. Dash Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Here we use the because Taj Mahal is a specific thing. I saw dash dolphin show yesterday. We use a because of consonant. Dash planets revolve round dash sun. We use the because of heavenly bodies in sun and planet. Number 6. Today dash farmer will buy dash ox and dash cow. Here we use a because of these all things are singular and countable and singular and common. Ali is dash doctor. We use a. Don't let your children play in dash ground which is far away. We use the because a ground is a specific thing. Question number 3. Filling the blanks with article. This is dash apple is red. In this sentence we use an because of vowel, and in the second sentence we use the because we are talking about this specific thing which is apple. This is dash elephant is gray. This is an elephant because of vowel, and in next sentence we use the because we are talking about the specific elephant. This is dash t-shirt. Our t-shirt dash t-shirt is new. In first sentence we use a because of consonant, and in second sentence we use the because we are talking about the specific thing t-shirt. This is ice cream, and we don't use any a and with ice cream because we cannot count the ice cream. We only count a cup of ice cream, a scoop of ice cream, a bar of ice cream, a cone of ice cream, a bowl of ice cream, but no, we cannot count ice cream. That's why we can't use a and with ice cream. Dash ice cream is very tasty. Here we use the because ice cream we are talking about the specific thing in this sentence. Thank you class.